Good afternoon, nature lovers. We are at Onaping Falls, otherwise known as High Falls by the locals, just north of Sudbury and near Windy Lake Provincial Park. We came down here to hike from Halfway Lake Provincial Park, which is about 30-35 minutes away. We have hiked this before, so check out naturelover.ca and look for posts and videos from back then. This time we are with our Chloe, the foxhound puppy, and she's going to hopefully be able to do the trail with us. This lookout is actually named after A.Y. Jackson, one of the group of 7, who painted Spring on the Onaping River back in 1953. I want to show you the beginning of this trail so that you can decide whether or not you, your children, or your animal can go on it, because it gets kind of rugged here. It's kind of a boulderly area, and the last time we came we left our senior dog and didn't take her on the trail because of this kind of access point to the bottom. That's my favorite song. Wait. Wait.
Because we're coming from the rocky side. You just went straight down. I can get hurt.
So as you can see, a very rocky, very challenging path for certain people. So I just wanted to show you that so you can make a determination. There is parking, kind of informal parking at the top of the falls, where you could hike down part and go up instead, or hike the trail that's across the bridge. What's that? What things?
I want her to get it checked. Look, I think it has those on.
She's getting a good job. Lay down. Whoop. Like that. Yep. As you can see, a lot of people have been defacing the rocks. Not cool. It's not cool. Following these marks. As you can see, just a spectacular access to this falls. Unfortunately, some people have taken it to writing graffiti on the rocks, which is a big no-no. Please don't do that. But this falls is gorgeous. The trail is gorgeous. It's right there, just begging for you to appreciate it and not deface it. Going on the rock, Chloe? You want to get a piece of the rock? Yeah? Okay. is the top of the trail. If you want to keep going, there's another part of the trail on the other side that goes away from the falls, but we're going to stop right here and leave the rest for you to check it out and leave comments below about whether or not we should have gone. Did you go for a swim?
She did. She did. Wanna go back in? Wanna go back?
Don't let her go past the side there. This way. So we're on our way back from the trail, from getting up to the bridge and heading basically the same way back, obviously just down. Great trail, great waterfalls. Chloe was pretty good considering she got to swim at the top, which is pretty fantastic. Please be careful with your animals. The water levels are fairly low right now. Of course, she's a bit of a spaz after her swim, so we had to calm her down before starting back down the rugged terrain. But highly recommend this trail if you're near Sudbury, if you're at Windy Lake Provincial Park or Halfway Lake Provincial Park. You will not regret it. It's just absolutely beautiful. And if you do walk the other side, the trail on the other side, let us know in the comments below what it's like, because we have yet to do it. We always seem to be just doing the one thing and then continuing on with our days. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I'm Trisha from Nature Lover Canada. Once again, if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe so we can continue to make videos. And comment below what you enjoyed. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them for you. And check out our website at naturelover.ca for lots more videos and posts and information about camping, cooking, traveling with dogs, and hiking. Thanks again, and I'll see you out there.